Nailevition. Today I'm going to show you how to make this marble design that look like real mineral stones. I'm going to use gels and marbling ink for this design. Now let's begin. I have already applied base coat and cured on this tip, and now I'm going to apply one coat of the Luxio Dreamy. This is a white sparkly gel polish. Okay, just one layer, cure for 30 seconds. Now I'm going to use some marbling ink. This is the ones I got off eBay. There's many other brands as well. So I'm going to use a blue, a black, a green, and the purple. Okay, after it's cured, I have been cleaning the surface and give it a little buff because the marbling ink works best on a bit more buffed surface. So I'm going to use some blue. Use the clear one. Adding on a bit of black, you need to decide which part of the design you want the color to be darker. Don't add too much. Okay, I'm adding on a bit of green. Okay, my first layer. I'm happy with this. Let it dry first, and now I'm going to apply a thin layer of the crystal clear. About this much. Okay, now cure for 30 seconds. After it's cured, I'm going to clean the surface with alcohol, and then I'm going to apply a bit more other colors, and then use the clear to marble it around. Okay, once you're happy with the way it looks, I'm going to apply it thin layer of the clear gel. If you don't have clear structure gel, you can use some base coat. Now I'm going to use Arctic Freeze from Gelish. It's a French white. Okay, I'm pretty happy with the way it turns out. And then now I'm going to cure this for 30 seconds. Okay. After it's cured with inhibition layer, I'm going to apply some aura foils. Not on the entire nail, just partially. Now I'm covering it in top coat. And cure for 30 seconds. Okay, now it has been cured. I'm going to put some garnish on it. So stickers and chrome. To make sure you have a sharp chrome edge, I normally apply the duct tape first, and then I'm going to apply the chrome gel halfway onto the duct tape and cure that. Okay, after it's cured, I'm going to use a light gold chrome and with a silicone brush. So I'm dabbing it on first and then rub it. Make sure you cover all the areas and then just keep rubbing. It will become more shiny if you rub a bit more. Okay, once you're happy with it, remove the tape. Then you will have a very sharp edge of the chrome. Okay, now I'm going to apply top coat and you're done with the design. Okay, now I have finished curing this marble design. You can see the layers is very clear. With marbling ink, the good point is all the inks are transparent, so it will give more dimension into the design. And you can still see the sparkly base we did at the bottom. And then that's layers of colors and the white cloud on top to make it more realistic, look like a marble, more like a mineral stone. And the stripes and the letters and the chrome at the front just make it more fashion. Okay, so this is today's marbling design. Hope you enjoyed today's video. If you like this video, please give it a like, share and subscribe. I'll see you at my next videos.